Morning, friends. It's now a Thursday morning, and I just realized I didn't finish my vlog yesterday, so it's kind of just ended. So sorry about that. I ended up going picking up my daughter, and then we settled in for a show which wasn't airing, and then I fell asleep. So, but on Thursdays and Fridays, I usually deep clean my house, and I start with my bedroom. I usually dust it before I even go downstairs, and I tidy up and try to clean bathroom, but sometimes I run out of time. Right now, the bedroom is like this. So it's not too messy. It's just my bed really that's messy. I think the key for you to quickly clean, deep clean, is to have a clutter-free room. So I try to keep my room as clutter-free as possible. I put away laundry every day. I put my laundry to wash in the mornings. Usually the ones that need to go to wash are on the bathroom floor because we leave them there through the night. So these are the products that I'm using. I do excuse me, I do like to use I like to use Method, but or Myers, but sometimes our grocery store or even our Canadian Tire, because I'm in Canada, doesn't carry everything. For example, Method wood polisher, they haven't had for ever. I don't know if I got discontinued, nobody carries it anymore, but I haven't been able to find it forever. So I often make my own stuff as well, but this time I kind of ran out, so and I just wanted to grab something, so I had it. So I picked up the Lysol all-purpose cleaner in green apple scent and the Pledge clean moisture multi-surface cleaner in rain shower, and then the Greenworks toilet bowl cleaner. This is not bad. I do prefer the Method one, but this one I often will grab if there's no Method, and they will have Greenworks. The only problem is I hate the way it smells. So, and then if I'm not using Pledge, I usually use just a dusting mitt. For glass, I will use the Norwex Enviro cloth and the Norwex polishing cloth, and then I just use a no-name microfiber to polish the furniture and to clean the bathroom. I don't use the same one. I'll grab another one. So I'm going to take this from this, and it's done. And I'm going to take this too, and done. So it's after lunch, and I'm just going to get ready. I have a doctor's appointment, and my husband had offered to stay with the kids. They're sleeping, so I thought I'd take you along while I get ready. I'm going to be using Angel Whale primer. For eyes, I'm using the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer. And then for foundation, I'm gonna use the CC cream, and for under eye, I'll be the It Cosmetics Bye Bye Under Eye. And Naked Skin by Urban Decay for little dark spots. Sponge ready. Actually, for the doctor's appointment, I'm going to get one of these dark spots checked out. It's just over here. because it's kind of funny looking, so I just want to make sure that it's nothing to be worried about. Sometimes I put concealer over here and I forget to blend it. Yep. For setting powder, I am using MAC. And I lost a little glass plastic thingy that goes on top. So for bronzer and highlighter and blush, I'm gonna use the Becca. Now for the eyes, I'm not gonna do too much. I'm gonna do the cherry cordial. I think that's how you say it. I'm just gonna light it up the eye a little bit. So I use this to light it up, which is champagne truffle, and then this one for the bottom. I'm gonna do that for the, I'm gonna use it as an eyeliner as well. And I'm just gonna blend it a little bit. Yeah. Very subtle. For the lips, I'm just gonna use the Oh My Gloss from Rimmel. To define the lips. And I am not sure where these came from. I think they came from Amazon. I should get better lip liners, but I don't use them that often. And I'm gonna try and tame this hair brush, which is great brush for hair drying, but my favorite brush is the wet brush for getting tangles out when your hair is wet. This is number one. There's nothing better than this. No sprays, it's just a brush. Works amazing. I think that looks a little bit better. So, my nose is itchy. I use this brush. It's by Tech Bean. I got it on Amazon, I think, last year for my daughter for Christmas. Works pretty good. I don't use it very often, and it's not as good as like straightening, but it's pretty good for just kind of taming your hair, I guess, a little bit. So this is it. I think hair looks a bit better. The makeup, the eyes, I don't know if you can see. It's just a simple everyday look that just so I don't look like I just crawled out of bed. Wearing a checkered shirt from Old Navy and my silver jeans from Silver. So, and that's it. Okay, so just finished at the doctor's. It seems to be okay. I don't know if you can see it right over here, and it's brand new, but apparently it's nothing. It's more of a nuisance than actual problem. So if it's really bothering me, she said I can get referred to a dermatologist and get it removed, but so far you can't see it, so that's good. I was you're always a little nervous, but I didn't think it was anything, but it's worth checking it out. So I'm gonna go home. This didn't take long at all. I'm gonna go home and I'm going to go and edit some. I did yesterday's vlog and I still have one more video to edit for next week, so I'm going to be working on that. Just at this local bakery, well, I'm still at the same plaza as my doctor's, but I wanted to go to this local bakery and I couldn't find it. Saw it from the outside, didn't know how to get to it from the inside. I'm gonna go check it out what they have. Okay, so $17 later on bread. I had picked up some sourdough, Vienna sourdough for kids sandwiches, and then for tonight's dinner I would want to say it's a baguette. It's penne di casa baguette. I have no idea what kind of baguette that is, but they had really interesting scones. So I got double chocolate, cinnamon, and a blueberry one to try. When they're warm, they're like freshly made, and they're all of the bread and everything. So check it out. It's called Cobb's Bread. If they have a website, I'll link it down below. All right, now I'm gonna go home. So it is 6 o'clock at night. We just had dinner, and I have decided to give my kids' bathroom a good scrubbing, kind of give it like a zone cleaning. So I took everything out and now I'm going to scrub everything down, and I'm using the Lysol. So I'll show you my next step once I'm done wiping this down. I'm going to wash all these. I had cleaned it and arranged it just to kind of show you what's in here. Very simple. Their stuff is in my bathroom, which they have to move back. So their toothbrushes will go into these two front, and then they each have a basket for all their skincare stuff. And then underneath here, I've got bath and shower gels, lotions and body sprays, perfumes, wet wipes for her dance, some of her hairsprays, travel shampoo bottle, her makeup case for dance, the Norwex body wash rags, face wash, washing cloths, I guess. I put extra toilet paper in here, couple makeup cases. So makeup cases, I had one of these made for my son for all his traveling. And then in here I just have electric toothbrushes, extra soap bars like for their face, just anything extra in here. So that's it. That took me like 20 minutes to do. And now they're gonna have to clean the bathroom. So I'm in for the night, just getting ready to watch the kickoff to Christmas from the Disney World, and then I'm gonna finish the vlog here. So have a great night, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.